What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a brand new car. I just got it today and this is how it looks like. It's pretty sweet. Right? Now open it. Woo! Now open it. Open. Whoa! And I want to challenge you guys, literally like this video and also subscribe. So then, and now this doors even go open. Now close. It's a McLaren. It's a 70 or whatever it is. I forgot the name of it. It's just a McLaren. I know it's a McLaren. So this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name, Pramit. Bye!